thing that everyone hates is the chirping smoke detector. Here's a little tip for everyone. Ace Hardware, Home Depot, they sell a 9-volt battery that's made out of lithium ion.
Yeah.
Right? That battery lasts 10 years. Most people don't know. That battery's $15. But a lithium battery, 10 years. 10 years from now, you'll be replacing it. You won't hear any more of them chirps. Because I walk into a house and you hear that, or you see it hanging from the ceiling because it was chirping, and they just rip the battery out.
A lot of times you can't even find the dang thing.
My whole point is, change the battery. Don't pull it out, because God forbid you have a fire or carbon monoxide, you will die. Don't do that. Save your life.